Good morning, Shoresight Knights. I am seeing so many favorite colors out there today. Are you seeing some favorite colors? I see some of my favorite colors. This is a great, oh, thank you. Remember at the assemblies, we are not talking unless we are asked to, so I appreciate that. All right, we're very excited for today. We have some helpers from some different grade levels. And so before I turn it over to Mrs. Wold, you guys are doing an amazing job on the PTO coin drive, and they wanted to let you know that they're going to announce the winners when you come back on Monday after break. So we'll find out when you come back Monday after break. All right, I'm going to turn it over to Mrs. Wold.
Hello, everyone. It is so good to see you. It's a Sunday and it's Friday, and hopefully, if you were able to find something to wear your favorite color, you'll have that on. I am here today because we're going to talk a little bit about our kindness trait that we're still working on for the month of December. So as you know, that we started with respect, and now we moved to caring, and we're still continuing with the word caring. Ms. Welch and I will still be visiting the classrooms in the month of December. Some of you we have already visited in the month of November. And when we're there, we're going to focus on, who can remember what this word was for those of us who have been, go ahead and say it for me, what is it? And some of you are like, but you haven't come to our class yet. Well, we will. We will see you again next week. Well, not next week, but the week after. And then that first week in December, we're going to still be talking about empathy, because that is a way to show caring. Can you point in our library technology area, where would we find the definition of caring if you were to look? There it is, 5th grade. Ready? Are you ready? You're getting good at this 5th grade. 1, 2, 3. Caring means? Feeling and showing concern for others. And empathy, understanding how others feel, is one way to do that. But we also have another great word that is another way that you can show caring to others. And your teachers and some friends behind me here are going to talk a little bit about this word. And this word is showing gratitude to others. When you show gratitude to others, you are also showing our character trait of caring. Gratitude is choosing to appreciate the people and things in our lives. I'm so very blessed. I have so many people that I could think that I should be showing gratitude for. And I'm very happy to appreciate that they're there in my life. And so today, we're going to have some friends come up and show a little gratitude to some staff members in our school. If you didn't get an opportunity to be the one that come up and speak on the microphone, you can, when you see these people, say something to them and let them know you appreciate them. That is showing gratitude. All right, first up, we have some kindergarten friends. Oh, my friends, we need to be respectful and make sure we're listening.
We are grateful for Mr. Williams, Mr. Arun, and Miss Maria, because they keep our school clean.
Thank you so much, kindergarten. All right, next is first grade.
We are thankful for Mr. Allen because he always helps us and healthy program for we can live.
Very nice, first grader, Miss All right, we have second graders coming up next.
We are grateful for Mrs. Wynn because she keeps us safe at recess.
Nice job.
We appreciate Mrs. Ramonda and her dedication to the school because she is always willing to help us, and we look forward to having her missing. Everyone appreciates this. Thank you.
Nice. Next up is fourth grade.
We are thankful for Mrs. Sorensen and our first office for being a part of our school. We appreciate you for always going above and beyond to ensure teachers and students have what they need to be successful.
And last but not least, of course, are our amazing fifth graders. All right, here we go.
We want to express our gratitude for the hard workers in the cafeteria. Mrs. Johnson and Mrs. Mata keep our cafeteria running smoothly and deliciously. Please join us in giving thanks to these awesome messages. The next
All right, thank you, everyone. So just to remind you that when you come back from the big long break of Thanksgiving, that you remember that showing caring can be done in many ways. One is showing empathy, understanding how others are feeling, and the other is showing gratitude, making sure that you're choosing to appreciate people that help us in our lives. All right, back to Ms. Barlow.
All right. Like Ms. Rhodes said, you guys can show gratitude in many ways, and you can be grateful for your friends, your family, and the adults in your life that help you. All right, we are going to move into our awards for the month of November. So who would I have first? Looks like Mrs. Wilson's coming up.
All right, the Library Award for Caring goes to a class that shows a lot of care toward all of the friends in their classroom, and that is Mrs. Burning's class.
And the big night for the cafeteria and recess duty is for someone who does a good job caring for the lunchroom, and they really do a good job cleaning up after themselves and making sure that their tables have no trash on them, and that goes to Mrs. Osterhoff's class. The Little Knight Award goes to a class that has shown huge improvement, lining up, being respectful, raising their hand, and just all around, just a lot of improvement. So we're really happy. And this goes to Umager's class.
All right. This was one of the hardest decisions because there were so many good classes this time. Now, this class did a great job of following directions, being safe, and especially not having any fun. This goes to a third grade class, Ms. Coonert's class.
Okay, this month, the music award goes to a class for being helpful friends and learners during music, and that is Mrs. Dinsmore's class. All right, the technology award for caring goes to a class that's been doing a really good job of helping friends that are maybe struggling, especially with typing, because that can be difficult. It goes to Mrs. Browse's class.
Before I draw a pine card, I just want to remind everybody of the power of words. Your words have power, so please make sure that you're using that power in a good way by using kind words. So use your power of words by using only kind words. All right, let's see who our kind card winner is for this month. All right. The winner is Landon from Miss Harlow's class. Next week, there is no school. Many of you will be spending time with family and friends, and we hope that you have a safe and lovely vacation. When we come back, we are going to be doing what's called a giving and caring drive, because many of us have so many things to be thankful for. There are some families that still need some things. So as a school, we're going to be working on what's called a caring and giving drive, so that we can help people that may not have the things that they need. So more information will come out about that. But just remember, when you're off for the week, be safe, be kind, have fun. And we're going to end our assembly today with my favorite part, our school song. So let's turn it over to Ms. Sunshine.
All right, our student player this month is Nabila from Mr. Jeffcott's class. Will you raise your hand? Under one side, we're family. Under one side, we're all family. Under one side, we're family. Under one side, we're fifth graders. We're fourth graders. We're parents and teachers too. We're parents and teachers too. We're second graders. We're first graders. We're kindergartners. Shows high school.